Hello, my most amazing artist. We have something so fun to do today. We are going to use these pipe cleaners and these beads to create a sculpture. So a sculpture is something that is three-dimensional. That means you can hold it in your hands. Let me show you an example of a sculpture. This is a clay sculpture that some of my 4th and 5th graders made. And as you can see, it's different from a sheet of paper. This is two-dimensional. This is flat. See, it's just a sheet of paper. It's colored on both sides, but when I lay it down, it lays flat. This sits up, so that is a sculpture. And in art, those are two main things that we can create. A flat piece of artwork, like a painting or a drawing, and we can form a sculpture with our hands. So let me show you what we're going to do. I'm not going to tell you what this is until we're done. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these beads and you're going to string them on these pipe cleaners. So don't take your little pipe cleaner star apart. You're going to take a bead and you're going to put it on here. We have to count. So that's 1, 2, push them all the way down. Sometimes it's hard, but you can do it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's do 13. Lucky number 13. Okay, so let's practice together. Let's practice counting. I want you to count with me to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, awesome. Once you do the first one, you're just going to move it and do the next one. Now, sometimes, you may be able to do this or you may not. Sometimes I can pinch 2 beads together and put 2 on at a time, and I'm going to show you a little trick. So that's 2. This is 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm counting by 2s. So 2, 4. Here's 2 more. 6. Here's 2 more. 8. This goes faster when I do it this way. 10. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, if I'm counting by 2s, we have 10 and then 12. And if I put 2 more on, that would be 14, so that would be too many because 13 is an odd number. So that means I can only add 1 more now. But here's my trick. If you do that and you don't want to count, you can kind of line them up, and as long as they're within, like they should look kind of similar. So if you're not counting, as long as you count the first one, you don't necessarily have to count the second one. All right, so I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to speed this video up, but watch how I add 13 beads on every... This part takes the longest, but just work hard. Pinch those beads in your finger. Practice pinching 2 at a time, and you will get this done in no time. You got to work hard, though, and work quickly and efficiently. All right, guys, when you're finished, you are going to leave this laying flat, but you're going to start to kind of curve these up. Just like this. And if you need help with this, you can get a teacher to help you. I can come help you, or if you're in pre-K, one of the other teachers can help. But you're just going to curve them up. And when you get them kind of curved up like this, what do y'all think we're making? I hope you said a pumpkin. You're just going to kind of bring all these orange stems together in the middle. Let's see if Miss Kilgore can do a good job at this. Okay, and then you may have to kind of, we want to make it look like it's rounded. So then you're going to take these, and we are going to twist these together, like a stem, okay? Once they're twisted together, you can kind of form your pumpkin a little bit better. Just move it around until it kind of looks good. This is the fun part. This is when you make it look right. And these pipe cleaners, you can move them around, so that's good too. All right. I think I could have done a better job. It's all right, though. Okay, and then when you're done with your pumpkin, you're going to take this green pipe cleaner, and you can get a teacher to help you with this. You're going to wrap it around a little bit to attach it, okay? And then with this big long piece out here, I think my kids can do this. You are going to take this and roll it real tight around the marker. And this is going to make it have a curly Q. Look, how cute. Gives it a little curly Q. And then y'all get to take these home today. They're so cute. I hope you enjoyed making your little pumpkin. Now, one thing I do want to tell you. We can keep our markers on here. If you drop any beads, they're like gold. We can't drop our beads. We need them all, because look at how many beads everybody needs. So, if you drop any beads, you have to get in the floor and pick them up. Have to. Try not to drop them. I know some are going to fall. It's okay if they do. No one's in trouble as long as we pick them up. So, keep your beads. Take care of them. If they fall on the floor, pick them up. All right, have fun.